about a couple of weeks ago, I think now, um, I proposed the skeptic's principle, the principle of the skeptic. What is that? It's a principle that says that you should become an enemy of everything you read. It comes from our good friend Alhazen. He was a 10th to 11th century Arab and considered one of the first scientists, or at least pragmatic guys. He studied optics and so on. And he said, you got to become an enemy of everything you read. And you can extrapolate that just 1 inch further and say you have to be a skeptic of everything you believe and that you know, okay, with quotations. You have to become a skeptic of everything you know. And that means you have to attack it from the start. You have to attack your own theories, your own beliefs, as much as you possibly can. Try to put yourself on the other side of the fence. It's not easy to do. Easy to say, but not. It's hard to do, And the only thing you can do is, try to keep an open mind and see if you can attack your theories so that you become solid in them. Well, if you don't do it, someone else will. And that is option number two. If you've already looked at your theory, at your proposals, and you say, well, I've attacked it from every angle that I can think of, I'm going to put it out there and I'm going to take it to someone who doesn't like it, who instinctively says, something's wrong with your theory. Okay, so what's wrong? And so the other person will look for holes in your theory. And what that does, it forces you to raise your shield and your sword and defend it. Now you got to try to defend your theory. And that's good because now you know what's going through the minds of other people. It's like you're getting a brainstorm, and you say, "Oh, I didn't think about that. Let's see. Let me look at this." And maybe you don't have an immediate answer. Maybe you do. Maybe you already thought about it. But you can see where other people are coming from and how they're attacking your theory, and that's good. It's good to put your theory to that kind of exposure.